Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Cookie. Kiki. All right. Anyway, that's not my cat. What's up, YouTube? Back in the video. Today we are unboxing the bObsweep. Now, if you're a longtime viewer on this channel, you may remember back in 2015, 2016, whenever it was, Kayla got her house. She bought a bObsweep, and I did a video on that one then. Well, this is 2023 now, and they've obviously came out with more models since then. And shout out to bObsweep. They actually contacted me. Yes, a small channel can get contacts once in a while. It does happen. They contacted me. They sent me a bObsweep, the new version, for free. So thanks to them for making this video possible. Really, it's pretty cool. And they even have a little welcome home card with Bob Minnick, which is what they named the robot. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up now. So, and since I am filming with one hand and have one hand free, of course I don't have scissors or a knife, so I'm gonna use my keys. And we're gonna open the box. And yeah, they did use my P.O. box, so thanks again for doing that. And yes, I do have a P.O. box. If you do want to send me something, it's always below. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is pause the video real quick and struggle and get this open with some keys. Okay, and I cut the tape. We're going to go ahead and open up the box, in theory anyway. I should be able to open it with one hand. And they did ask what color I wanted, and I think I picked Jasper, which is like a red. But here's a quick start guide. Install ZyBrush to charge and download Connect. Okay, cool. So there's actually an app, it looks like. So we will be doing that, obviously, and I'll get out my other camera or my other phone for that. The owner's manual. So this is the PetHair Slam, which is pretty nice. That they include that. It's a very thick manual, which is very cool. And what is Bob's warranty coverage? 60-day money-back guarantee. 2-year standard warranty, which is pretty cool. Looks like you can get extended plan if you wanted to as well. So anyway. Oh, yep, Jasper Red. Just like I wanted. This thing is nice. So we'll get all this stuff out real quick, and then we'll go through it. Go get Bob out. Okay, and then these are the brushes I need to install, so I will do that. This looks like a little comb with a razor blade, probably to get for stuff that gets tangled up in the unit out. This is the little home base for Bob to return to. This is looks like a little filter, maybe. Let's see. Microfiber cloth. And yeah, I'm gonna get these out and put them in real quick, and then we will get Bob all set up and try him out. Okay, so I've got the bObsweep Bob PetHair Slam all set up, and that piece is for mopping, it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn Bob on, assuming he's got a charge, because he may not. If he doesn't, then I have to wait for this part of the video. But let's see. Hit. Oh, should probably remove those. Okay, Bob just made a little dingy sound. So I got connected to the Wi-Fi now. I should probably get my other phone to film this, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, now I'm on the Samsung phone filming, so we're gonna go to the Bob app real quick. The bObsweep app. I did connect it to Wi-Fi, so I hit continue. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hit Allow while using app. Type in the password real quick to the network. All right, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the Wi-Fi indicator starts flashing in here, connecting to Wi-Fi. Wait, what's the Wi-Fi button? Oh, that one. Okay. Oh, wait. No, this is not a button. This is.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Bob sounds like a girl. Okay. And continue. Yes. Use Bluetooth. The Bob PetHair Slam. We're establishing a cloud connection.
Wi-Fi detected. Connecting.
Good.
Connecting to cloud.
Okay.
Connection successful.
All right. It's been added. Hit finish. There's a software update for Bob. Let's go ahead and update the software real quick, and then we'll be back. Let's see. 10.41.9. And then start update. Oh, okay. It is placed on the charging station, but whatever. I'll do the update later. It's 96% charged, so remind me later. Ready to clean? All right, this is probably going to scare the kitties, but we're going to do it. Uh-oh. Bob, are you stuck? Bob is stuck. Click for details. Okay. The app says Bob is stuck. Move Bob. Move Bob to safety and resume cleaning. There he goes. The cats are freaking out. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Crisis averted. Everything's fine. It just yanked off the fiber connection. Bob, where you going? So the more you use it, the more it learns your area somewhat. It'll never be perfect, but man, it's pretty cool. Goohee. It's following me. That's so cool. Shout out to the fine folks at bObsweep. Seriously, so nice for you guys to send me this. As you can see, Bob is getting the perimeter pretty well of the kitchen, which is quite nice. Alright, he's pretty much got the kitchen fairly clean. Not bad at all. So let me go get the iPhone real quick. You okay, Key? Go ahead and grab the iPhone real quick. Alright, he says like 92%. Pretty good battery life. I really like the app a lot. And so when we're done cleaning, I think if I just hit that, he turns off. And as you can see, he is mapping the area, which is pretty cool. Really cool. So, oh cool. Quick start guide and manual in the app as well, which is very nice. But yeah, there you go. I'm not going to demonstrate the mop feature. Just know that it does have it. I don't need to mop anything. So, how do I get back to the... Oh, look at this. Does he work with... Yo, he works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Very nice. That's cool. Very cool. All right. How do I get back to... Ooh, you can draw zones. That's cool. How do I get back to controlling him? There he is. Let's get the cat. Sorry, kitty. I'm sorry, kitty. Like, what the heck? Okay, real quick. It does know to go back to its dog, so I'm gonna hold charge down.
Low power mode.
Yeah, but Bob. Bob. Bobby. Gookie. Wait, what's it doing? Hold on. Hold on. It knows where the dog is. I just did it a second ago. All right, here we go. All right, you're going to rev up real quick. And you're going to find the dock. All right, there you go. Pull into the station. Look at that. He's charging. Good key. There you go. Thanks for watching my bObsweep video, guys. Shout out once again to bObsweep himself for sending me a review unit. I appreciate that more than you imagine. Thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.